The MAXUM commercial operator boasts new and upgraded features when compared to the LiftMaster L5 operators. From an all-metal chassis to improved motor technology, and the all-in-one solution of a single board versus the two boards found on an L5. For starters, the MAXUM's new gear transmission versus the L5's old belt transmission means a significant reduction in weight. The MAXUM is quieter than L5 operators and boasts a DC power supply. Unlike the L5, which requires a full power board replacement if there's a fault, the fuses on the MAXUM operator can be replaced independently. Thanks to its reduced weight, the MAXUM can be installed by one person if needed, while the L5 requires two. Once installed, the MAXUM has push tabs for wiring ease instead of the need for an additional tool to wire the L5. You can adjust the MAXUM's limits digitally with the LCD controller at the ground level, whereas you have to set the L5 limits mechanically at the operator a dozen or so feet in the air. Troubleshooting is done at the MAXUM's LCD wall controller, which displays error codes for quick diagnosis to help get the unit back into operation. Try running diagnostics on an L5 operator. MAXUM operators have a soft start-stop function. The door will begin opening or closing at a slower rate, then ramp up in speed before slowing down to finish opening or closing. This keeps the door from incurring damage during the faster opening and closing operations as it might on the L5. MAXUM's reduced weight, quieter DC motor, and digital LCD wall control all make for easier install and maintenance, and are just some of the ways the LiftMaster MAXUM garage door operators benefit you. To find out more about the MAXUM commercial garage door operators, visit our website.